Can one CVT, transmission fluid, extend the life of your transmission by multiple times? Well, we're going to talk about it. Welcome back to Synthetic Oil Protection. My name's Eben, your oil lubricant specialist. Today we're talking about one of my favorite transmission fluids in the product, AMSOIL continuously variable transmission fluid. This is 100% synthetic, so it's not all watered down. It's no synthetic blend or full synthetic that can be partially synthetic and all that. This is also meets and exceeds all the specs for all the major continuously variable transmissions. So whether you have a Nissan, Mercedes, Mitsubishi, Toyota, Volkswagen, Dodge, BMW, Mini Cooper, Suzuki, this covers almost every single CVT transmission fluid. What this is going to do and how it works, it's not going to thin out under high heat, so you keep your oil pressure when you go through all these solenoids in the transmissions. You're going to keep that pressure, so you're going to have a steadier shift under high heat. If you're doing engine braking going down hills, this is going to hold up with the heat better. This is going to create a higher film strength, so you're going to have less concussion when you give it gas as it engages and as the plates shift to open and close the ratio. It's going to do it a lot smoother, less hesitation. You're going to notice it performs better in the cold. This flows extremely well in cold conditions. This could easily, by changing this at the appropriate interval, probably about every 3 years or 36,000 miles, whichever comes first, of normal driving. If you're going to be doing severe service driving, I would probably change this in my car. If I had like a Nissan, I'd probably change this at every 20,000 miles if I was doing severe service, or 1 year, whichever comes first. Because when you change this fluid on most transmissions, you can only get about half of it out. And so you're going to be kind of mixing it with the old fluid, and you're going to have, only so much extra protection. You can do multiple drain and fills, which we've shown many times on the channel, which I highly recommend you do. If you're new to the channel, I want you to order this product right away if you have a CVT transmission, and get this in before midnight tonight. This is you can thank me later when it comes to a CVT. You want to order this at syntheticoilprotection.net. If you have any questions on this, this is warranty secured, so it's not going to throw out your warranty on your car or nothing like that. A lot of people ask me that, and you can call me 702-472-3614. My name's Eben. We'll see you back on the next AMSOIL video. 24 days of AMSOIL protection.